The next thing I'd like to do is to make sure that when I'm drilling a hole, it's going to be perpendicular to the surface of the table. And so I could use this rod that I have inserted and a square and check to see whether I've got any light. You could use a feeler gauge if I want, but there's a better way to do that than just measuring at various places around this rod. I can do that with a dial indicator. Here's the setup that I use. I've got a shaft that's mounted in the chuck, and then I've really just got some apparatus, this bracket here, to hold the indicator some distance away from the center from this shaft. And then what I can do is I can rotate the chuck, and as I do that, I can observe the dial indicator. And if this table is perfectly flat and perpendicular to the shaft, that dial indicator reading won't change as I rotate it 360 degrees. You won't be able to see the dial indicator over the full rotation, but I can tell you that my table is not flat. I'm at 0 here, and as I rotate it towards the camera, you can see it's moving a bit. That's not too bad. I'm at 4 thou. But if I keep going, once I get past that little screw hole there, I'm at about 10 thou and rising. And that's not even 180 degrees of rotation. I'm not too surprised that my table is not flat. It's just a single piece of 3/4 MDF. I've got some battens underneath to try and straighten it out, but I've had it on my list of shop projects for some time to make an improved drill press table. I just haven't gotten around to it yet. But I do know that when I drill in and around the center, I am getting perpendicular holes, and I'll show you how I confirm that now.